Hello, friends, welcome back to Upgrading Way. In today's video, you will find some basic interview questions for investment banking, along with sample answers for freshers. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Let's start the video.
What are the three major financial statements?
The three major financial statements are: first, income statement, shows a company's revenues, expenses, and net income over a period. Second, balance sheet, shows a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time. Third, cash flow statement, shows a company's cash inflows and outflows from operating, investing, and financing activities.
What is the difference between equity and debt?
Equity represents ownership in a company. Equity holders, shareholders, have a claim on the company's assets and profits after debt holders are paid. Debt represents a loan that a company must repay with interest. Debt holders, creditors, have a prior claim on the company's assets compared to equity holders.
What is valuation?
Valuation is the process of determining the intrinsic value of a company or asset. It involves estimating the future cash flows and discounting them back to present value.
What is an investment bank?
An investment bank is a financial institution that provides services such as underwriting securities, mergers and acquisitions, M&A advisory, and trading.
What is an IPO?
An IPO, initial public offering, is the first time a company offers its shares to the public. It's a way for a company to raise capital.
What is the difference between a merger and an acquisition?
Merger, the combination of two companies into one new entity. Acquisition, one company purchases another company, and the acquiring company retains its name and identity.
What is a discounted cash flow DCF analysis?
ADCF analysis is a valuation method that estimates a company's intrinsic value by projecting future cash flows and discounting them back to present value.
What is a comparable company analysis comps?
A comps analysis values a company by comparing it to similar publicly traded companies based on multiples like P/E ratio, EV, EBITDA, etc. Remember, these are just basic examples. Investment banking interviews can be highly competitive, so thorough preparation is essential. Practice your answers, understand the core concepts, and be prepared to discuss current events and market trends. I hope you like the video. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye, take care of yourself.